Hi Barbies, welcome to another tutorial. Actually, in today's tutorial I'm going straight into my eyes. My face is already done and I'll leave the link in my description how I actually do like my whole foundation, concealer routine, set my face, all that stuff. I left some more powder on my nose because I really wanted to set my nose and make it more prominent in its look. So I'll be using since it's an eyeshadow tutorial, I'm going to show you the brushes I'll be using in today's tutorial. Very few brushes, so you probably need to get like brushes, not the exact same brush, but brushes that have these kind of like bristles. So pretty much these are the brushes I'll be using in today's tutorial. So I'm gonna apply this brush first. I feel like this brush is very dense. In my last tutorial when I did the teal green eyeshadow, I used the same brush to pack in the very color at the outer ends. So this is the same brush I'll be using. Always try to use clean brushes. They make your eyeshadow look like really so beautiful because they pick up the pigment so easily because you're clean. Yeah. And get the exact same color you picked. So yeah, so my second brush actually. So my second brush, I'm going in with this brush right here. This brush is a real technique brush. And the first brush, I don't remember the name, but like you guys see how dense it was. Brush is just a little dense, less dense than the first brush, and this I'll be using right outside the very like dark colored outer blue. Like, you guys are going to see the whole tutorial, it's going to be beautiful. And then my favorite hot hair brush, yay! Hot hair brush, apply the shimmer or even the matte on the very eyelid. So hot hair brush for the wing, guys. And lastly, this tapered brush right here to apply a shade like my outer crease and my crease, like kind of soft look, so it's almost gonna be like my outer crease and my crease. Just get a tapered brush like this and let's get into today's tutorial. Starting off, I'll be using the Colourpop Cute AF. I hope you guys can see this. And I'll be going in with this very shade right here, and then apply the very first dark color to the outer ends of the eyelid. Wing motion. I'm applying the concealer. Did I say concealer? I'm so sorry. I'm applying the eyeshadow in this kind of way. My next shade, I'm going in with the masquerade palette and using this Zulu, where you at? This very shade, and then I go to apply just on top, right on top. Using the AOA concealer. This is in the shade 2310. Just a tiny bit. So I just put that behind my palm. Just need a tiny bit to like prime my eyelid. The colors are like so obvious. going in again with the same masquerade palette. I'm using the shade right here, this purple. Poke a hole in it, right? So I'm going with this right guys. So the same thing here can be packed. So you first have to pack, like pack this thing right here. Start the sweeping motion after you're done packing. You want to start the sweeping motion right from the beginning. It doesn't help because of the pigment of the eyeshadow to the eyelid. So, want to see that? So to fill in my brows, I'm using the SO Aesthetic, and it's in dark brown. But I think it's too light for me because I kind of like my brows dark. Oh well, let's see how it goes. So I'm using the Bethmein, another Ghanaian brand. So the pencil is a Ghanaian brand, and Bethmein as well is a Ghanaian brand. And with the Bethmein, I'm using the shade Cocoa Brown. So pretty much that's all for the eye look. Simple, basic. I hope you guys like this one. So I'll quickly fix my lashes on camera and do the remaining things back real quick for you guys to have a look. Just like today's tutorial, it feels so different. Like, I don't know. I'm excited and I'm so excited. I'm really excited for today's tutorial. Like, yeah. Go in with a very small brush like this, just second eyeliner brush, and I use that for my lash. So I'm sealing everything off with Revolution, and this is in the sports fit. Just like yo. Please share, please like if you found this helpful. Try it out, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.